Hey, what's up everybody? We're here at Homestead Speedway. We're about to do the 8th mile. I want to test out the car and see if I can do any better. I think my PB was 6.7, sorry, with the E40, and I know on the street I did 6.6, my best. So we'll see what I can do here. I mean, it's not the greatest track for the 8th mile, but it's better than nothing. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what we can race. I did try to lock it in. Well, he said he's down with a crew cab F-150 twin turbo all-wheel drive. Let's see how we do. I think he's pretty fast. I think he makes like 1,000. So we'll see. Here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. Let's see what we do. It's our first attempt. This is our first attempt. Thank you. There we go. So I'm here going now to round 2, second attempt to hit a new PB. I was 0.01 seconds or 0.1 second slower than last time, and 2 miles an hour slower as well. I spun a decent amount off the line, so just got to get the tires hot enough. They're still pretty cold. They are under 100 degrees, so unfortunately I'm not able to do 3 passes today. So here we go. Let's see how we do versus the M4. That's my e-content temps. You can see it right there. Make sure my AC's off, right? Yeah, my AC's off. Let's see how this turns off for them. Go. We're running an M4 right now. Ooh, I took that motherfucker. Let's go. Alright, I'm done. I don't think that one was good. 107, 6.8. But I'm gonna let her cool down a little bit. I'm gonna let her cool down a little bit. Thank you, sir. Running a twin turbo F-150 crew cab. That shit's fucking fast. It did a 6.3. I think he slowed down too at 112. And I did a 6.8 again. Oh, the car just keeps doing. I'm gonna try it, the left lane, to see. Thank you, sir. I'm also holding the launch control way too long, if I'm not mistaken. That's why the car is, I don't know. Stupid fast, goddamn. That shit took off like there's no tomorrow, goddamn. That shit's fast as fuck. Running a Mach-E. Yeah, that's the last one for tonight, guys. Did a 6.7 at 107. Not my fastest, not my fastest.
Exactly, yeah, right? Are we off? Exactly, he walks out. There was a guy who did that for the